Lopes e eu pertenço à equipa de informática da Hikma Portugal.
Hello, my name is Yara Safadi and I am a portfolio intern at the Research and Development Department at Hikma Amman, Jordan.
Hi, I'm Shams and this is
Dejan.
and we're both social media interns at the Hikma London offices. Welcome to our office tour.
This is Yara Safadi speaking. I'm currently interning at Hikma Bayadir area, Jordan. This location is so special as these buildings were the birthplace of Hikma, exactly where Dr. Samih Darwaza started this amazing company in 1978. Being there at that building every day is so inspiring. This building has a geometric structure and was influenced by the 70s architecture and the industrial approach.
This is our cafeteria and kitchen, and we've also got our own coffee machine and filtered water. This is our boardroom, which has its own private terrace.
O que eu mais gostei no meu estágio na Hikma foi a confiança depositada em mim, sendo que me deram vários projetos, no quais o que eu mais gostei foi a implementação da rede Wi-Fi em toda a Hikma Portugal, o exemplo destas antenas que temos aqui em cima de mim.
This is our mindful room where staff and employees can come and take a break and put their mind at rest. So we have a number of chairs and comfortable seats, as well as plants and greenery to make staff feel at ease in their mind.
These are some of the activities in the mindful room.
Aprendi na Hikma Portugal o que é o day job de uma equipa de IT, assim como as suas preocupações e os problemas diários que vão aparecendo.
This is my desk where I work every day, and I have the nicest colleagues here. As a pharmacist and researcher, this opportunity offered me the ability to collaborate and work on realistic and promising pharmaceutical projects.